Gold and silver traded with modest bullishness. We have seen gold scaling towards 33.36 today in the earlier trades, while silver has moved towards the near-term highs at 37.25. What to expect now from gold and silver throughout the day? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. And that's the last update for the week before we release the weekly updates tomorrow. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, if you look at the move here, see the rise, then the retracement. See, earlier yesterday I have mentioned, see, this is a sideways movement and possibly a dip can be seen. Also, we have discussed till 33.10. Do not treat this as bearish. What has happened? Precisely hitting 33.10, we have seen gold again scaling towards the highs. Now, if you connect the lows and the highs, you can find out this is a largely bullish channel where it has to now break beyond 33, 40, 46 and 52, three key levels here. Only and only if you see gold trading beyond 33, 40, 46 and 52, you can say now it is the time for gold to deliver another bull run. Else, I can say that there is a possibility of a reversal. Now look at the move here, rise, retracement. Now this is the support it is created at 33.25 and see higher lows are seen here. Now higher lows, but I can see the bullishness getting diminished. So definitely you have to watch out how it behaves here till towards 33, 40, 42. If at all it starts to rise. Else what can happen? Once it trades below 33.30, you can take a sell, expect 33.25, 26, first support zone, 33.20, the next. I will say till 33.10, it has got support at every 50 pips or $5. Till 33.10, do not treat this as bearish. Below 33.10, you can expect a greater correction to follow. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising, showing little bullishness here. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation. Another observation here is the crossover in the moving averages, which is happening at 33.20, and this becomes a very good support zone for the day. It is very, very important for gold to now break below 33.20, 33.10 zone, which is going to remain a crucial zone for the day. Also notice rise, retracement, rise. It could possibly start to retrace, and any move below 33.10 is a clear indication of a correction, else it is still to be treated bullish here. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising, signs are supportive for further rise. Look at 3 hour. Similar observation. Now the price is trading above the 20-50 period moving average, and the moving averages have started to converge. This is again a one supportive sign for the bulls here. But notice what's happening. See, it is another way to look at it is here. After rise, it has retraced, it has formed a nice flag, and after forming the flag, it is giving a breakout. So today's move is going to be critical. Once it trades beyond 33, 40, 42, you can expect it to trade bullish, possibly 33, 46, 33, 52, and then 33, 60 level should be there. Any move beyond 33, 60 is a good sign for a greater rise ahead. Stochastic rising, the MACD trading bullish, the RSI rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, rise. Again, it is scaled to the highs. I'll definitely watch out whether it breaks 33, 40, 46, 33, 52 zone. This is going to remain a critical zone. Beyond this, you have to just stay bullish. You can expect 33, 64, 66, 33, 76, 78, and 36, 80, 33, 85. Beyond 33, 85 is where greater rise is awaited. It can move towards 3400, but I'm not so supportive for such a stronger rise. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, notice the rise here. Then this is the retracement. Higher highs, higher lows are seen here. Second point, look at yesterday's candle. We have seen a greater swing and it is closed in green. It has created a step, and that is why today it is started on a bullish note. Now it is pretty important. This is the zone which gold needs to breach. And that is why I say 33, 40, 42, 33, 46, 33, 52. These levels are going to remain critical, because only and only if gold trades beyond this zone, you can say now this is turning bullish, else it can confine itself within a narrow zone. While on the downside, till 33.10, do not treat this as bearish. Below 33.10 is where you can say now this is a pullback where it can hit the lows here. Though the stochastic is rising, MACD has also seen good bearishness trying to converge here, wait for a crossover. The RSI is also rising. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 21st July. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram to join the batch. Only limited seats are available. Else you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. For to all those who I have not responded yet due to time constraints, I'll definitely respond today and provide you the details related to the batch and the signals channel. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy? Very clear, you can buy here at 33, 40, 42 levels, expect, but till 33, 50, 52, you have to be extremely careful. It's not bullish. You can find resistance at 33, 46, 33, 50, 52. And once it trades beyond 33, 50, 52 is where the bulls are waiting. You can expect a good rise beyond that. You can expect 33, 64, 66, 33, 76, 78, 33, 84, 85, and then 3400. Very, very important for gold to break 3400 in order to confirm the rise here. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry at 33, 30 levels itself, but then 33, 25, 26, 33, 20, 18, 33, 14, 15, 33, 10, 08. These are the support levels. Till 33, 10, 08 is not taken, gold is not to be treated bearish for the day. Below 33, 10, 33, 08 is where you can expect a greater correction to follow. You can expect 3300, you can expect 3280, and in fact lower levels where 3260, 3248 could be seen. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see the rise, retracement towards 20 period, again a rise in, and it has hit the near term highs here. 37.25, these were the highs which it has to break. 37.20, 37.30 zone, it is very, very strong resistance. And I have mentioned several times, once silver trades beyond 37.30, you can expect a very good rise there. You can expect 37.60, 37.80, $38 zone again. Yes, that is the near term highs which it is trading at right now, and it is a multi-year high as well. We have not seen such levels in last 10 years. Moving averages crossing over here is a good sign for the bulls. Also, this is aggressive bullishness here, so definitely you have to watch out. A drop below 37 and 36.80 is the only confirmation of reversal. So if you see it is staying below 37.10 itself, when you see the lower price about below 37.10, you can expect a little drop, but I'll say largely you have to wait for 36.80, 3670 zone to be taken in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour charts, but notice higher highs, lower lows, and that is why I say once it trades below 3710 and then 3680 levels, you can say now this is reversal, else it is still staying bullish. Moving averages crossing over here, good sign supportive for further rise. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here, looking upwards. The RSI rising here, again supportive for further bullishness. Look at 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, it is outside bands. Higher highs are seen. Preceding candles, consolidations. Current candle can also reverse. But I'll say till 3680, you have to be watchful. Below 3685, 3665. Now remember, this was the hurdle earlier. Now this is going to remain the critical support. And then the most important one at 3640.30. Only and only if these levels are taken, you should treat silver as bearish. Else right now the stance is pretty much bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD and RSI both are rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you can see this higher highs are seen here, and see preceding two candles, also notice lower lows are seen. Now pretty important for it to trade below the median, which will confirm the pull on the downside. Right now it is looking upwards, right now it is delivering bullishness here. If you see it is staying beyond 3730, you have to stay with the buys. Stochastic overbought here, the MACD crossing over for the buys and the RSI rising as well. Coming to the daily chart, look at the daily chart, see what has happened here. Rise, retracement 20 period, again a rise, retracement towards 20 period, again a rise, retracement towards 20 period. 20 period offered it a very, very good support. With that, support prices are rising, and this is the third time it is willing to break this zone. Now I'll wait for it to stay above 3730. That is the level beyond which you can say now this is a breakout. And now once it trades beyond 3730, you can stay bullish for 3760, 3780 and $38 zone as the next target. Remember, this time if it delivers a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. Rise, retracement, support, and then the rise here. I'll wait for today's closer of the day. That is going to decide the direction it wants to take for the next few sessions here. On the downside till 3640, 3650, it has got greater support here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for buys, and RSI flat. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 3730, expect 3750, 60. First target zone 3780, the next and $38 zone. Ideally, I'll be looking at 3780 if it delivers a breakout today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 3710 itself when you see the lower price or the higher price below 3710. Expect 3695, 3675 and 3650 levels. Only and only if silver trades below 36.50 today, you can say, now this is the time for bears to take over again. This is the time for silver to correct. And then we can expect 36 or in fact 35.50 levels very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.